Good morning, you sexy bastards. It's another day. Another day what, Nathan? Another
Honestly,
dollar.
I wish.
Yep. Today we're doing something that is probably our worst idea yet. Did you break it?
No.
Anyways. So as
this is supposed to unscrew it, but
so
this guy, faulty fucking hose.
anyways, we're filling the back of my truck to make it a pool, and we're gonna be riding.
I don't feel like getting fucking wet.
We're gonna be riding around a.
I'm hoping this one would stretch.
I just cannot get this intro done.
But
I really wish we could get pulled over. It'd be so funny.
Caleb can make that happen.
Well, I don't want to get actually in trouble for it. I mean, that's what.
I mean, like, I can get you a ticket if you need one.
Should I go ahead and put the boiling water in? Or just wait till
You're putting boiling water in it?
Yeah, to heat it up a little bit.
Do it?
Oh, I thought a lot more steam would come off.
That didn't do anything.
So it's basically winter time over here, and we've been missing summer a little bit. So we decided to make a pool because we miss summer so much. Isn't that right, Luke?
Oh, that's right.
That's right.
Oh my god!
Okay, stop. Oh, look at it. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so cold! Oh my god, water! Take it slow!
So water.
Where are you going?
We're going to McDonald's!
No, bro.
No, it's just fun as fuck.
So right here at McDonald's, figured out, we got a little bit hungry on the road.
I'm an M30, how can I help you?
Hey, can I get a 10-piece nugget with a large Coke? Thank you. This is so fucking dumb. Turn off. God, that.
$8.99.
How you doing?
Good.
That's good. Thank you. What are the chances?
What in the world are you doing, bro? I'm gonna have
Thanksgiving break.
Let me just
Hey,
not.
you wanna hop in, bro? Huh? You wanna hop in, bro?
On what?
You wanna hop in?
On God.
Okay. Shit. No, fuck that.
Alright, well, have a good day, y'all.
It's been real. No, bro, I got soggy nuggets. God, shit.
Let's go. Oh no, the back rib, there's fries in the pool.
You know who else was doing it like us? No one. No one. You're the tart. This is not it. I don't know what I was saying. Oh, we on the bridge and shit.
Bet you need tomorrow to
Dude, there's a camel.
How much water is left?
A bit, but not enough.
You know what I'm talking about? Like, Nathan. So you take it right here and then you go all the way down.
Yeah. He just dropped that drink in the water and then drank it. And now they poured it in there.
What the fuck?
Oh, dude.
Just enjoy the sun. enjoy the sun, bro. No, the ball, bro. No, my God, we lost the fucking ball. Go, boy. God, that shit hurts so bad, bro. Oh my God, I can't feel shit.
Is there any way you can grab the bottom and put this all the way forward? I can't see because it's too bright. Look at him.
This is about an hour. We're about an hour in. We're in Lake City, bro.
You know how uncomfortable this shit is?
Oh, you're uncomfortable.
Yeah, I'm very uncomfortable.
How you doing? Ain't all right. Who are you called? No,
What happened to the tarp?
Hey, I'm
What happened to the tarp? You drove like a dumbass. That's what happened to the tarp, bro. I don't blame him. Next time you're getting in.
I don't know.
It's been a real, journey. It's been good. I hope it was worth it. So please like and subscribe for more content like this.
Bro, we don't tell people to like and subscribe. They just do it.
No, they don't. And okay, anyways, hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.
Kill him hungry.